So I have an interesting data point to share over here.
Yeah.
That when in 2008 during the global financial crisis, Nifty was in the range of 6,000 to 8,000, right? And at that time, FIIs pulled out around 1 lakh crore rupees worth of securities. If we talk about today, from October 21 till July 2022 or maybe June 2022, when we saw the bottoming out of the markets, our Nifty index was at around 18,000, 15,000 to 18,000 range, right?
Yeah.
And the FIIs pulled out 4 lakh crores worth of equity. So proportionately, you see, they pulled out way higher amounts. At that time, in 2008, our markets corrected by 63%, close to 63%.
Yeah.
And this time, if we talk about our markets, they're hardly 15, 18%, right?
Yeah.
So the decoupling, in the sense I'm saying, is in terms of the mercy that we are at, that we used to be at, in terms of foreign institutional investors. Do you think that the domestic institutional investors, by way of participation of retail investors through mutual funds, is, stabilizing our markets or making it more mature?
So that is, beyond question. You're absolutely right that domestic investors have stabilized. I would just nuance it by saying that if the actual corporate performance or domestic performance was not good and there was no backing of earnings, then even domestic investors couldn't have held on. See, the phase, let us say 2021 till 2023, look at how the market has behaved when FIs have sold heavily from 21 to 23, correct? In this phase, Nifty earnings per share, if you just take Nifty, the large cap index, Nifty or Sensex, it has started going up only, the Nifty or the Sensex has started going up only in November 23 or December 23 now. But October to October for 2 years it was flat. In that phase, the earnings went up by nearly 40%. The large cap index earnings went up by nearly 40%, but market was continuously getting the headwind of FI selling.
Got it.
Second thing, what happened with domestic participation or retail participation, anecdotally I've seen that it tends to drive more small cap, mid cap, micro cap, small cap, micro cap, a lot of rush of IPOs, cyclical, PSU, those elements of the market. Because at least personally what I've seen is when the color of money changes, what is working in the market also tends to change.
Right.
That is the difference that you experience. But on an aggregate level, even domestic investors wouldn't have and couldn't have been able to participate and hold the market or give it this kind of strength if the domestic economy or the earnings performance was not in place. Yeah.